Today, we're delighted to introduce you to a revolution in staircase flooring: Sisal Carpet of stairs. Gone are the days of compromising style for functionality. With Sisal Carpet, you can elevate the aesthetic appeal of your staircase while ensuring unmatched durability and performance. Prepared using state-of-the-art engineering techniques, our Sisal Carpet offers the perfect blend of natural beauty and advanced technology. Its strong construction is designed to withstand heavy foot traffic, making it an ideal choice for high-traffic areas like stairs. Ready to elevate your home with the unparalleled luxury of Sisal carpeting? Contact us now and take the first step towards a more refined living experience.